So problem 3.2.5b, we have an archer that's shooting arrows and the probability of a bullseye is 0.09, and we said each shot should be independent of the other shots. And we want to find the probability that the third bullseye is on the 10th arrow. So when you're looking for the probability of how many times you have to do it before you can get your third success, or as we say, rth success, this would be a negative binomial. So it's going to be negative binomial. We know our probability of success is 0.09. Now we want to find 3 bullseye, or we need our third success. So r is equal to 3. So now let's write up our formula. So the probability that x equals x is equal to x minus 1, choose r minus 1, times 1 minus p to the x minus r, times p to the r. Notice negative binomial has r's instead of n's because now we're saying we need 3 successes, and x is how many times we have to do it to get that. So in our case, we are looking for the probability that it takes 10 arrows. So probability that x equals 10. So we'll do 10 minus 1, choose 3 minus 1, times 1 minus 0.09 to the x minus r. So in our case, we're going to do x equals 10. So 10 minus 3, because r is 3, and 0.09 to the power of 3. If I simplify this a little bit, this is 9 choose 2, times 1 minus 0.09 is 0.91 to the power of 7, and 0.09 to the power of 3. Then I would need to pull up a calculator. So again, 9 choose 2, that is the binomial coefficient. If you're not familiar with it, go on YouTube and look for 9 choose 2 or binomial coefficient, something like that. So you can see, I'll go to Wolfram Alpha. Maybe. I think my extra keyboard just died. Okay. So I probably won't go to Wolfram Alpha then, as I can't type it fast enough for the video on that. Let me just pull up the calculator and check. Now, when you put in your calculator, the most important part is, again, this 9 choose 2. This is 9 choose 2. Putting in my calculator, I'm looking for a button like NCR, or sometimes it might be NCK, or it might be written in as a combination of something. I'm looking for something like this. So in my case, I would do 9. I hit the 9CR button, and then I hit the 2. But when I put it all in, I should get 0.01356.